Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut from cabbage. First, gather your ingredients: fresh cabbage, non-iodized salt, and a clean fermentation vessel. Next, prepare your cabbage by removing outer leaves and shredding it finely. Then, massage the shredded cabbage with salt until brine forms, packing it tightly into your vessel. Finally, allow it to ferment at room temperature before moving it to cold storage. To begin, select a fresh, firm head of green cabbage. Remove any bruised or dirty outer leaves, then cut the cabbage into quarters and carefully remove the tough core. Now, shred the cabbage into thin strips, ideally about 1/8 inch thick. This consistent size helps with even fermentation. After shredding, weigh your cabbage. This step is crucial for adding the correct amount of salt. Once your cabbage is shredded and weighed, add 2% non-iodized salt by weight. For example, if you have 2 pounds of cabbage, you'd add about 1/2 ounce of salt. Vigorously massage the salt into the cabbage for 10 to 15 minutes until a significant amount of brine has formed. Then, pack the cabbage and brine very tightly into your clean fermentation vessel, ensuring all the cabbage is submerged beneath the liquid, using a weight if necessary. For optimal fermentation, place your vessel in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to ferment for 3 to 4 weeks. This time frame typically yields the best flavor and texture. You might see some bubbles, which is a good sign of activity. Once it reaches your desired sourness, transfer the sauerkraut to the refrigerator. Properly stored, it can last for several months, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.